Hello viewers, today we'll discuss about else, if and else. In my last lecture, if you see the if we discussed about if statement which executes when condition is true, and if condition is false it won't show any output. But in the if condition, for example, if we have age variable and the condition is, for example, age is 10, and if we say if age is 10, then the message will be printed. For example, your age is 10. In this condition we have only one way, that if condition is true then output will be printed on the screen, and if condition is false, for example age is 12, now 12 is not equal to 10, it's the condition should be age equal to 10, so this line will only execute if condition is true, otherwise it won't show the output. So you can see the screen is blank and nothing is printed on the screen, which means that condition is false. So in that case it is important that user must see a message that condition is false, and user must change its must change his output, his input, so that the message a message should be displayed on the screen so that user can understand what is going on in the program. So in that case we must place else here, which will warn user that your age is not 10. So here, now if you execute this program, now it says your age is not 10, which means if the condition is true, this line will be printed, and if condition is false, else will execute, and in else your age is not 10 will be printed on the screen. So now here we have two ways. The first way is true, which means if condition is true it's going to print your age is 10, and in other way, if condition is false then it will print your age is not 10. So in the if condition, if you are using only if condition, that means you have only one way, and the other way it won't execute, it won't print anything on the screen. And if you want to put two ways to the user, and you want to say if condition is true then a particular message is printed, and if condition is false then another message should be printed, then you must print else statement after the if. So if the condition is true, for example if condition is 10, 10 is equals to 10, then it will print your age is 10, and if condition is false then it is going to print your age is not 10, which means that there are two ways now. The one way is true and other way is the false, which will execute else statement here. So for example you want to print two messages after the if. Hello, this is if statement. In this case, if you execute this program, you will find out that you get an error, and that error shows that the misplaced else statement. So by default you can put only one statement in the if condition, in the body of the if condition, which is your age, your age is 10. So this, the only statement which can be printed on the screen is your age is 10. And what about this statement? This statement is not connected with the if, so therefore else is misplaced here, because you are out of the range of the if statement which is caused by this statement. So it is important that you must connect both of these statements to the if condition. If you want to put else statement, then you have to start bracket from the if statement and then close at the end of the second cout, so that this else can be connected with if statement. For example, if I now execute this program, so your age is not 10, which means else is being executed because the value given is 20. Now if I put value is 10, then if I execute this program, I'll get two messages printed on the screen. The first one is your age is 10, and second message is hello, this is if statement. So that means both of the cout statements are now connected with the if, and only reason is because of this bracket, the bracket which is placed here. The body started from there and the body ends here, so which means So if condition is true, both of them will execute, and condition is false, then this out will be printed on the screen. So if you want to put two statement with the else statement, same rule will be applied here. So you have to put else bracket from the else, and then you can put cout hello, this is else statement, and you need to close that bracket. Now if you execute the program, so both if condition is true, then you will get your age is 10, and hello, this is if statement. For example, if I make this statement false, now if I execute it, then you see the two statements. Now your age is not 10, and then hello, this is else statement. So to print both of them on separate lines, I need to put end l here. If I execute again, your age is not 10, and hello, this is else statement. See, so this is how if and else work. When you want to put multiple statements, you have to use brackets, and if you want to put single statement, you don't have to use the brackets. I hope if and else statements are clear to you now. If you have any questions, please write comments or put your questions in the comment box. Thank you very much.